Welcome to EuromanDriver.com. Today I'm taking a look at the new Volvo XC40 2018 new small compact SUV from Volvo. It has of course a virtual cockpit. Any car manufactured without virtual cockpits is not serious in 2018, in my honest opinion. This looks very nice in here. So Volvo has managed to make another premium luxury SUV, this time a compact SUV. It looks very nice. Look at this. Everything looks like very, very luxurious. Very practical solutions, and a big space for charging your cell phones and other stuff. 2 smart cup holders. And basically it is the same design as you see in the Volvo XC90 and XC60. And a beautiful, great sport steering wheel. Perfect size with all the functions on. And look at this design here, very, very nice. This is a beautiful design car. And beautiful seats as well. So many soft materials, clothings in the door. I can't find any hard plastics in this car. And the classical Volvo mid armrest. 2 ISOFIX spots. This is a very, very nice car that I definitely would consider if I needed a compact SUV. It's a little bit more expensive than Skoda Karoq, and it is in the same price level as Volkswagen Tiguan, I think. Petrol engine. Let's see how the trunk looks like. And it is very spacious, just like Volkswagen Tiguan. Very practical. And extra storage space down here. This is a huge trunk for its size. This is bigger than Skoda Karoq. Of course, Skoda Karoq is also much more cheap, but this is a premium brand, a premium car. Volvo XC40 2018. Beautiful interior. This is one of the best looking compact SUVs that you can buy or rent or lease. You make this new Volvo deal that you can rent your car for 3 years with a special leasing agreement. with service and everything included. Very smart, actually. Oh, I mean, you can subscribe to your car. So this is a great car that you should go and test yourself in your local Volvo dealership. Beautiful car. So please visit euromandriver.com and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.